I have made up to $500 while working as a freelancer. As you all know, I'm a video editor, but right now we are into content creation and we are also using our editing skills. We accept simple, 1 or 2 freelancing, as a freelancer. So if you're someone that is looking to go into a freelancing job, or if you're someone that wants to start freelance, please stick with me to the end of this video. People, welcome back to my channel. This is Kemi of Step Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, we share tips on how to upscale your financial life, make money online, and become successful. So with that being said, we'll be sharing in this video how you can start your freelancing career or how you can start your freelancing job. If you have seen my recent post, you would know that I completed the virtual assistant ALS course with at least a 94% score rate, with a 94% score rate. So with that being said, and moreover, I've worked as a freelancer before on different platforms and I've been able to make some money. So that is why I feel I am qualified to share ideas on how to start freelancing if you intend to start freelancing this year. So the first thing is knowing who a freelancer is. A freelancer is someone that works on a project or works on a contract for different individuals or for different clients. Now, a freelancer is quite different from an employee, because as a freelancer, you can work for multiple clients and get paid and do different projects for them. As an employee, you have access to work with only one employer and you get paid. So let me share with you advantages of becoming or of being a freelancer. Now, the first thing is the flexibility of time and the fact that you can become your own boss if you're working as a freelancer. Yes, you have the time, you have, you don't have to rush out in the morning, and it is even less, it is economical. Yes, it is economical. You don't have to rush out in the morning to do daily runs or so. Just be in your house and do what you want to do. The next thing is to understand that if you are not disciplined, as this is a guide to becoming a freelancer, I will be spilling the advantages and the different advantages and the things you need to take note of and the things you have to do. As a freelancer, you need to be disciplined. You need to keep to time. You need to understand that time is important. You need to understand that you have to deliver your deliverables. You understand? If you tell a client that I will deliver this particular, deliverable at this particular time, please do well to deliver it. If you can't, please update the client before time. You understand? Now, the most important thing, in fact, the most important thing is to have a skill. Yes, you need to have a skill to become a freelancer. If not, what do you intend to offer? Yes, freelancing is you exchanging value for your money, is you exchanging value for money. So you need to be able to give clients something before they can actually pay you. Since they are buying something from you, they're buying a service from you. Now, not all services are actually profitable, because if you're a freelancer, we have profitable freelancing and non-profitable freelancing. Yes, a lot of people want to argue with me that there's no freelancing that is not profitable. I am not arguing it with anybody. I am only saying, or I'm only letting you know that there are some freelance skills that are much more profitable than others. And in fact, even the ones that are not profitable, you can make them profitable, no doubt, no doubt, if you advance your skill, or maybe you add something else to that particular skill. So we have skills we call in-demand skills in freelancing. Now, in-demand skills, I'll be stating an example of in-demand skills. In-demand skills are skills like website development, programming, social media management, information security, content writing, user experience, project management. These are in-demand skills. Yes. Now, also we have other freelancing skills. We refer to these ones as in-demand skills because people are in demand of it, and they are not low barrier entry skills. Like, you have to have something up here for you to have those skills. Now, the low barrier entry skills are the virtual assistant skill, graphic designing skill, although depending on the graphic designing, Then we have maybe customer service, customer chat support. Now these ones, you have to add something to it before it can be profitable. You understand me? So you choose the skills that you actually want to work with, maybe the in-demand skills or the low barrier entry skills. Anyone you want to work with, you definitely make your money, but the payment varies. As a freelancer, you have to understand that if you're starting as a beginner, as a freelancer that is a beginner, please try as much as you can to do all the jobs that comes your way. Yes, do all the jobs that comes your way. I'm not saying that you should undervalue yourself, but I'm only saying that if you accept different jobs that comes your way, you will be able to have broader experience. You have that freelancer experience, you understand the do's and the don'ts. You use that one to build yourself. You cannot also overcharge and you cannot undercharge as a freelancer. You need to do your research. Make your research about your particular skill, what they charge as an entry level, what they charge at intermediate level, what they charge as an expert. So you have to understand their charges, then you'll be able to put down your own offer. Please watch, because your client can be a bit off. How will I put it? Some clients will know that they are supposed to pay you this particular amount and they will be undercharging you. Some jobs that it is better not to accept them. Yes, jobs that will actually give you bad review. When I say understand and accept different jobs, I don't mean accept jobs that will frustrate you or give you bad review. Jobs that you know that you can do, it won't affect you fully, but then again you can manage and do it and still see something there. Also, you have to learn that as a freelancer you need to network. Networking is very important as a freelancer. In fact, you can be a freelancer and you don't get clients on different online websites, but your first client might actually come from networking. Networking means talking to your friends to refer you to one or two persons that needs your services, sharing with them, chatting with website owners, chatting with different people in your field that you know that they require your service. You can also use LinkedIn as a good example, you understand? So you can actually network if you're a freelancer. In fact, most freelancers I know, or some of the freelancers I know, will actually tell you they got their first gig networking. Now we have websites that you can actually work as a freelancer. We have Wakana, we have freelancer.com, we have fiverr.com, we have upwork.com. Depending on whichever freelancing website you want to use, please research about the freelancing website that you are actually interested in. Look for the beginner friendly website. Yes, look for beginner friendly freelancing website that you can actually sign up on, and please create a portfolio for yourself. You can use Canva to create a portfolio. They have samples of portfolios on Canva. If you don't have any work experience, since you are a beginner, you can actually reach out to one or two persons in your network to actually offer your service for free. Now you tell them that you're offering this service for free for them, so that you'll be able to use it for your portfolio. Yes, that is why you're offering this service for free, so that you'll be able to use it for your portfolio. Or you can actually offer like 2 or 3 services for free, then you'll be able to use it for your portfolio. It's as simple as that. Then you get your resume ready, you get your cover letters ready to send out applications. Now for the resume, you can use Novo Resume. Yes, you can use Novo Resume to set up your free resume templates. For your cover letter as well, you can also use that same Novo Resume to actually set up your free cover letter. Now if you don't want to use that free cover letter, you can actually use ChatGPT. Yes, use ChatGPT, but please, when ChatGPT gives you a cover letter, copy the cover letter, paste it on Google Docs and edit it to your own words and terms. Because even when you send it to clients on Upwork or on Fiverr, they intend to use AI dictator to dictate whether your proposal is fully AI. But once you're able to remove some paragraphs, remove some words, edit it, you will confuse the AI dictator. They might maybe say like 20% AI, and that is still okay for some clients. So do your due diligence if you're trying to work as a freelancer. And if you have a 9-to-5 job, or if you have a job that you're doing now, do not quit it because you're trying to go into freelancing as a beginner. You can just use freelancing as a side hustle and still let your work or your 9-to-5 work go smoothly, and then maybe when you stand well, or you can use it as a starting point, then you start going for your classes, advancing yourself, this and that. You understand? There are a lot of paid classes that you can use to advance your career. You have Utiver and a lot of them, which you can actually research about them, where you can get freelance skills for free, or where you can get freelance skills. You can research about them, and then you let me know which one of them you feel, or let me know which freelancing skill you feel that you can actually work with, or you feel that you can actually start with, in the comment section, and I will be there to shed more light on any freelance skill that you think that you can actually start with. With that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.